Ciania and welcome to another video! This is so awkward! So, kung bago kayo sa channel ko, hi, hello, kumusta kayo? Ako si Ciania and welcome to my channel. Gumagawa ako ng mga, di ko rin alam kung anong klaseng content, makeup, K-pop, gano'n na content. Hindi na ako nag-upload, kaya sorry sa mga subscriber ko tsaka sa mga naghihintay ng mga videos ko. Kaya, please, sarangin, i-purple you, heart. So, for this video, gagawa ko ng get ready with me, makeup tutorial, slash review. Hindi ko rin alam kung ano magiging kalabasan ng video to. Okay, so without further ado, let's start with the video. So, as you can see, I already did the other eye of camera and hindi ako gano'ng masaya sa kinalabasan niya. Because I haven't played with makeup in a long time. Hindi tulad natin. Sobrang dalas ko mag-makeup. So, yan yung kinalabasan. I hope okay lang siya when I put on the lashes. For this eye look, I use the BRETMAN Rock X COLOURPOP Lit Palette. And oh my god, bitch, look at this. Ang gaganda. Yung mga shimmers niya, yung metallic foils or whatever formula it is. Buttery smooth and so beautiful. And ito yung unicorn niya. It has the Queen on it. Look at that. Slay Queen! So yeah, we'll be using this palette for this look today. And don't mind this thingy because this is my mirror. I took the shade Period right here and apply that all over my crease and making sure that it's all blended out seamlessly. And slightly winging it out. Next, I took the shade Macchiato, and this has more fallout than the first shade. And I'm applying that more focused on the crease right here to deepen it out and just slightly wing it out. Now that I have all of my crease shades in place, I'm going to take some liquid concealer and do a half cut crease. Next, I took the shade Mercy and apply that right onto the places that I put it where I put the concealer. Then I'm taking some concealer and outlining that. Now I'm taking the shade She Got Money and applying that right where I applied the concealer. Now I'm just gonna clean up the edges like so. I'm going to be doing my base makeup and I'll be right back when I get onto the eyes. So while my lashes are drying, I'm going to be taking Period and apply that on the lower lash line. And thank you. More of like a transition color. Next, I'm taking Macchiato and applying that closer to the lash line. And connecting that to the top. For the brow bone and inner corner highlight, I'm gonna be taking She Got Money. Now I'm just gonna finish off the face and I'll be right back. So this is a finished makeup look using the BRETMAN Rock X COLOURPOP Lit Palette, and I freaking love this palette and I'm so excited to create more looks with this, which I'll be doing on my Instagram soon. Kasi ina-achieve ko yung rainbow na fit and wala pa akong nasisimulan. Yung pink pa nga lang nasisimulan ko, which is not a part of the rainbow colors, but susunod ko dun yung purple and then we'll work our way up hanggang sa red. And ito yung gagamitin ko sa mga red looks ko. So, stay tuned for that. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram for more makeup content because I've been more active there than here on YouTube for the past couple of months. Kasi, yun lang magagawa ko kasi nga busy kami with the thesis. And yes, nag-final defense kami and sana gagraduate ako. So that is it for this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up. And also, subscribe to my channel before you leave. And also click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, yun lang. So that is it. I love you guys. Heart to heart to heart to, and yeah, bye.